I'm thinking about switching from Premiere Pro to Premiere Rush. And I know, video editors everywhere are gasping and telling me how terrible I am, especially as a marketer. But here's the thing, if I'm ever needing to use a video editor, it's something very basic because I outsource most of my video editing. So it would just be me splicing a clip or putting it in slow motion, and I just don't think I need Premiere Pro right now. And it's stressing me out, like thinking that I might need it and I won't have it. But it's only $35 a year to have Premiere Rush, but it's like, what, $650 to have it Premiere Pro? So I don't know, I think I'm just gonna, for now, I'm gonna just use Premiere Rush, and if I end up needing Premiere Pro, I'll let y'all know.